Welcome to One Chemistry. Always try to do your best. Now, let us see about 100 concepts in organic chemistry. We are seeing it as episode. This is the episode number 47. If you didn't watch previous episodes, I encourage you to go and see. Here, we solve 5 problems step by step. Stay tuned. Let us see the first question. They are asking starting material. The starting material will be heating it up. You have alkene with tertiary butyl group. It's a cyclohexane moiety. They given 4 different reactants. The first one is cis form of quaternary amine. Second one is trans form of quaternary amine. Third one also tertiary butyl is below the plane and quaternary amine is above the plane. That's also in trans possibility. D is the amine can be anywhere. So 4 different possibilities. So from the product and 4 different reactants, you might realize the question is really about stereochemistry versus elimination. The answer is A. Let us see how. Here product is alkene, starting metal is amine. You might realize the question is Hoffman elimination. Hoffman relationship you need trans relationship for amine group elimination. So there are the 2 possibilities for this. One is tertiary butyl in axial, another is tertiary butyl in equatorial. But tertiary butyl in equatorial is very stable because bulky group at equatorial position is stable. The bulky group is that's why it's called locking group. It don't allow the ring flipping. So the quaternary ammonium salt is there, it will absorb the trans hydrogen. The elimination of quaternary ion will be there. The alkene is formed. So if you read it nicely, you have the answer, which is the required one. So the concepts you have to learn here is the bulky group lock the structure, it don't allow the ring flipping. Second thing is hydrogen and leaving group should be in biaxial position. It should be also anti for the elimination. Then let us look at the next question. The starting metal is cyclohexane attached with many alkyl group and ketone. If you look at clearly, it is called camphor. They are asking number of stereoisomers of camphor. So you have to find the chiral center and you have to find the isomeric possibility. Here they given the 4 different answers. One is 4, 2, 3 or 1. So from the structure and possible isomeric values, you might realize the question is really about 3D structure versus chirality. The answer is B. Let us see how. Finding chirality will be a little bit difficult if you look at the structure. So we redraw to the bicyclic form. Then it will be easy. You have 2 chiral center. Everybody will write quickly 2 power 2 4 isomers. But only 2 is the real case. Here let us see why the isomers are not possible. Because the ring is rigid, you cannot exchange the atom and write. In normal, you exchange the atom, write the isomers. Normally you exchange that particular atom. Any one of the atom, you write the stereoisomer, mostly enantiomer. But here it is not possible because of the ring rigidity. So the answer is clearly B, 2 isomers. One is the compound and its mirror image. Here the concept you have to learn here is the chiral center in the bicyclic system. Normally the isomers numbers are very less when compared to the open chain. Here the ring is rigid, you will not write the isomers. Then let us look at the next question. The next question is about acidity. They given the 4 different compounds with acidic hydrogen. First one is with carbonyl, second one is with dicarbonyl, third one is with acetate group on both sides, fourth one is with nitro. They are asking the order of acidity, which one have higher, which one have lower. So from the 4 structure and the order of acidity, you might realize the question is really about substitution versus the acidity. The answer is B. Let us see how. Before we get into the detail, you might know that electron withdrawing power of CH3CO is greater than CH3COO and NO2 is much more superior. So based on this fact, you have to analyze it. Another fact is the electron withdrawing group increases the acidity. So you have to answer by combining many facts. Here the fourth structure will be strongly acidic because of NO2 withdrawing power. So it will be easy. The next thing you have to know, the 2 carbonyl group is electron withdrawing group, the 2 carbonyl containing second bond, and third one come next. Because in the ester charge is distributed, the double bond becomes single bond there. So you have the charged. So what happened is the reduction of nucleophilicity. So COO group is less electron withdrawing than CO group. So it will come next. The least one is first one because it don't have any electron withdrawing group. So the order will be fourth one is higher, then second, then third, then the first one. Here the concepts you have to learn here is electron withdrawing power. NO2 is much more superior than acetyl group, then the CH3COO. Another important fact is electron withdrawing group increases the acidity. Then let us look at the next question. The starting metal is benzyl chloride and product is with unknown compound. This is mostly nucleophile, which is OH minus, CH3COO minus and PHO minus and CH3O minus. They are asking reactivity of nucleophile. The all 4 are differ in the substitution. So from the question and 4 different nucleophiles, you might realize the question is really about functional group versus nucleophilicity. The answer is A. Let us see how. Here before getting into the answer, we have to know the concept. Electron withdrawing group and resonance decrease the electron density because it withdraws the electron from the system, so it will be the poor nucleophile. The electron donating group behave opposite way. It increases the electron density and it is a good nucleophile. Here 2 sets of nucleophiles are given. One is O nucleophile, another is H-state nucleophile. The CH3COO minus, which is the very least one because charge itself splitting between the carbonyl group. The next least one is PHO. The resonance decrease the electron density, decrease the nucleophilicity. The third one will be OH minus. It's a kind of neutral, no effect is there. The methoxide anion contain electron donating group, which will have higher nucleophilicity. So the order is CH3O minus is higher, then OH minus come, then PHO minus come, finally CH3COO minus comes. So the answer is clearly A. Here the concepts you have to learn here is electron withdrawing group and resonance decrease the electron density, so it behave like poor nucleophile. Let us look at the next question. They are asking HOMO orbital of methyl acid. HOMO means highest occupied molecular orbital. Here they given the 4 different molecular orbital. A is with all lobes trans to each other. B contain 1 node with trans lobe. C contain also 1 node with 2 cis lobe. The D contain all are symmetrical lobes. So there are the 4 different possibilities. So from the question and 4 different molecular orbital, you might realize the question is really about node versus overlapping. The answer is A. Let us see how. Here 3 different orbitals are possible. Here HOMO means highest occupied molecular orbital. Here N3 has acid structure which has 6 pi electrons. 4 pi electron in the bonding and 1 with nitrogen. So it's a different peculiar one. So you have to guess the HOMO. If you don't count the negative charge, you will commit the error. You have to count the negative charge here. So 6 electrons are there. You have to fill. Here you have to find the orbital energy. The molecular orbital contained less node is ground state. So the ground state will be all bonding. With 1 node it is second. With 3 node it will come third. You have 6 electron. You can fill in this 3 molecular orbital. So 6 electron will be filled there. So the HOMO will be 2 node combination 1 which is A there. Here node means no density of electron, meaning no electron. Here the nodes dictate the energy. More the node, more will be the energy. It will be the higher the energy state. Here 2 nodes will be higher state than 0 nodes. So the answer will be clearly A. The molecular orbital with 2 nodes is HOMO there. Here the concepts you have to learn here is acid electronic architecture. You have to count the electronic charge for the filling of molecular orbital. Second thing is node. Node is no density of electron. That's all from this episode. I hope it was easy. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below. Stay tuned for next episode.